Hyperconverged infrastructure will allow you to get down to that level and start shifting things around a lot more flexibly than without hyperconverged. A lot of customer data centers, and there's a lot of complexity in there. One of the key goals of hyperconverged systems, we call them HCI, hyperconverged infrastructure, is to really take out some of that complexity. I wouldn't say, hey, we're going to completely simplify your data center, but certainly modernizing and simplifying your data center is a first step to try and get more newer technologies in. Storage, compute, and networking, all managed using standard x86 servers. It's pretty compelling, and also you can expand the footprint if you need to fairly easily, depending on what you want to do. And really, that's kind of a first step to try and completely virtualize. When you talk about virtualization, a lot of time it's a virtual server on a system using ESX and VMware type technology a lot of the time. But when you actually look at these type of hyperconverged, it's really a private cloud. And so it's easier to automate the deployment of new systems. Plus, as you sort of move along, you have the ability potentially to shift workloads into public cloud and back again. And so you get into a more hybrid cloud type environment. Getting into HCI and hyperconverged systems is certainly one step towards having that type of a really flexible and nimble and very responsive IT environment for your business. If you wanted to shift into a hybrid cloud environment, what do you do with the data? What data do you have where? What do you need to transfer across the public and back? What do you keep in both places? But also in the application itself, there's a lot of dependencies on things, right? How you run things on premise may not be the same as how you run things on a public cloud. What I would say that Lenovo's trying to do is really help customers get on that path. There's still a lot of steps to get to perhaps where the customer wants to go, but hyperconverged systems is certainly something that we're really trying to help our customers with to get them on the path to modernizing their data centers and really have a more multi-cloud environment down the track to make really the whole IT environment and systems and tools more responsive to the business. And back to our original point, trying to make sense of all that data, get it back into the system so you can make good decisions and grow the company.
Yeah.